This video will show you how to create a summary report for scholarly articles and what they look like. So first we want to go to scholarly articles and we're going to use the Discover drop-down menu and click Search Scholarly Articles Cited in Policy. You can create a summary report for an individual article, a group of articles, or all of the articles in Overton. So if I want to click and see report, this is where I can do that. So at the top here, we're going to click See Report. So once we've got our report, you can save it. You can see the underlying articles, which will take you back to those search results. And you can also export it using a variety of options. So sharing this report will give you a URL. And you've also got the option to print to PDF as well. But let's look at what the report contains. So you have the article count here, and that is the number of research outputs in this results set. So that's over 6 million articles. You have the number of countries where the citing policy documents are from, and you have the number of policy sources where the citing policy documents are from, which cite the research in the results set. You also have our world map image. This map displays where the citing policy sources are from, and the size of the dot corresponds with the number of citing policy documents from that country. And if we want to zoom in and look at a bit more detail, we can do that as well. You can also save this as an individual image. On the right-hand side, we have a list of the journals that published the research in the results set, the list of academic publishers that published the research in the results set, and then if we scroll down further, we have policy citation counts. So 49% of these articles are cited more than once in policy. And you also have the number of research outputs by their publication year and the number of policy documents citing the research by their year of publication as well. So that's these two graphs. If we scroll down further, on the right we have funders of the research. And we have citing policy source types, so primarily the government, IGOs, think tanks, and other. And we also have subtypes, so the different types of government. If we scroll down further, we have a breakdown of the citing policy documents and a list of the policy sources which cite the research in the results set. So we can see the top 10 here, but we can also show more. Further down, we have author affiliations. If you are connected to an institution within Overton, your institution will be at the top. So I'm currently connected to Cardiff Metropolitan University, and that's why they are at the top, despite not being at the top numerically. If we scroll down further again, we have authors of the research in the results set, journal subjects, mesh terms, and topics of citing policy, and classifications of citing policy. And each of these little nodes of data can be copied as a CSV file individually, as well as sharing the entire summary report. If we wanted to drill down into just the articles by one particular author, we can also click on their name and it will take us to that list of articles. The same with author affiliations and the sources. And that is how to read a summary report for scholarly articles.